What's up, unboxing fans? I'm here with the first of several unboxings I'm going to do today. This is a pretty heavy box. I'm pretty sure I know exactly what it is, but this shipped from Weston, Florida to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. So it's 12, 13 hours probably away, but let's open this knife up. Boom! It's a pretty cool knife, Punisher. But as always, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can just share my video, hit the notification bell, find out my next video. You can also subscribe. If you like cool stuff, like t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. So this is, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off each and every purchase. Use my username, London Hawthorne. So I love Bang Energy Drink. I purchased these. This is the Root Beer Blaze energy drink. So yeah, so Root Beer Blaze. This is a double checking. This is the first time I've actually seen these. I saw it online and I ordered it. It wasn't available anywhere. I want to make sure they expire the end of January 31st, 2021. So it's December now, so good. But yeah, so I've tried almost every single Bang flavor. What's your favorite? What's your least favorite? So far, my favorite flavor has been lemon drop, and my least favorite is birthday cake. Yeah, so these on average have 300 milligrams of caffeine, which this one does. It has BCA aminos, super creatine, and ultra CoQ10. I only do energy drinks on my work days, and I'm off today. I try to limit my caffeine intake. Be careful of blood pressure and stuff like that. It's important. So I'm going to do some more unboxings in separate videos. Please check out my other videos. And let me know what your favorite flavor is. Let me know what you think of the Root Beer Blaze. Have a great day.